Hello, everyone, and welcome to In Trust with Nicole. I'm Nicole Israel. I'm an estate planning attorney here in New York and New Jersey, here to answer all of your estate planning questions about wills, trusts, estates, power of attorneys, healthcare directives, anything you want, you name it. Feel free always to email me at info@nicoleisraellaw.com. So today I'm going to talk about a topic that comes up frequently with clients and even friends. And this revolves around the two biggest myths, I believe, that revolve around estate planning. So what I'm going to talk about today are the biggest myths about estate planning, or what I've seen at least. And these are actually two that I've run across frequently. So one is that a lot of people think that a will covers every estate planning contingency, that all you need is a will and you're good, and that's absolutely not true. So a will doesn't cover what happens if you're incapacitated or disabled. And this might surprise you, but a will has to go through the probate court. The will has to be filed with the court, and a lawsuit is actually commenced in order for a will to be effective. So that's myth number one. And myth number two is that a lot of people believe that if they are incapacitated or disabled and they're married, that their spouse can just automatically, exclusively act for them. And that's actually not true either. Even though you're married, there is no presumption that your spouse has your best interest at heart. And so your spouse would actually have to go to the probate court. If you're needing medical decisions and financial decisions made on your behalf, your spouse has to actually go to court, just like anyone else would, to get permission from the probate judge. So don't rely merely on the fact that you're married, that your spouse gets to do that automatically for you. And don't rely just on a will to cover all of your estate planning concerns. So that is just a brief synopsis of two of the biggest myths I've seen or questions I've come across. So I hope that helps. And again, always feel free, email me your questions about estate planning. I'm at info@nicoleisraellaw.com, or schedule a meeting with me. I'm always happy to help and talk about any of your estate planning needs. nicoleisraellaw.com/schedule. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.